Welcome back. Today we are unboxing the Macy's Beauty Box and it is closed. So this is like a different kind of box. I do know one item in here because I saw something with the item, but that's all I know. It actually came like at a reasonable time this month. So last month it was supposed to come the first week in January, and it came like the third week in January. I mean, the shipping notification said it was going to come the first week in January. And this was supposed to come Saturday, so it didn't come until yesterday, but at least it didn't take another week and a half. So, you know, how stinking cute is that? So that's the little bag that we get this month. Macy's is a $15 monthly subscription box, and because Macy's sells higher end kind of products, that is typically what you get in the box. And something else that I liked about it was that they had the coupons off of another like future beauty purchase, but they recently changed. They took away free shipping on beauty products, and one of you guys told me that it is now like $9.95 to ship. So that just doesn't even make the $5 coupon worth it at all. So we'll see if it's worth $15 now. I used to give it a little leeway because you then could purchase anything that you wanted, but now there's no leeway. So I want to try to get the item that I know about in here first, but I don't know if I can do that without seeing the other items. I think I can because I know what it's going to feel like. It's kind of fun doing it as surprises. Okay, I know I got this product. And it is an Ebates liquid lipstick. So this is the first product that we got in here. This one is in American Doll. I don't think I've ever had an Anastasia liquid lipstick, so I'm really excited to try this one. Oh no. Oh, it's red. Okay. I thought it was going to be that magenta color again. I have so many of those. I do not need another magenta color liquid lipstick. Ooh, I love it. So I like that color. We'll have to see how it dries down throughout the video to see if it gets uncomfortable. Okay, then the next thing we got, and for my unboxings, since I don't know the products already, I'm going to go ahead and show you everything I got, and then I'm going to figure out the totals of everything and what they're worth, and then I'll come back with that. The next thing is the Retexturizing Rose Clay Mask from Origins. I think I may already have one of these, so this may go in a giveaway, and this is an ounce. And we got Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. Oh man, I have like a whole large size of this, so I may end up putting this in a giveaway as well. What else? Clinique High Impact Mascara. I have more of these than I ever need in my life. That will definitely go in a giveaway. Black Opium. Isn't this a men's? Is there another one? Oh, these are those breast pedals that you put on to, you know, if you're wearing something that you can't wear a bra with. So I'm actually excited to try those. And I guess, yeah, we have this men's cologne, and then is this all that's left? And then we got a mini beauty, micro beauty blender. So this is like the real teeny tiny one, and I actually have two of these that I never ever used because I just use the point of my regular beauty sponge instead of, you know, getting another beauty sponge out. I think these are kind of silly. I haven't found a purpose for them yet. So this may be going in a giveaway as well. So basically, this one probably wasn't worth it for me. That was a really fast unboxing, but let me figure out all the totals for these, and then I will let you know how everything works out total-wise. Okay, guys, so I don't like this box, and I'll just tell you that right now. This is actually one of the highest value boxes that I have ever gotten, and it's products that I'm not really even excited about getting, so that's kind of a bummer. But I do just want to talk a little bit about the prices of things. First of all, this lipstick is not very comfortable. Have you guys tried the ABH one? What do you think of it? I just don't think it's comfortable. I'm going to try and top it with my Lucius Lex gloss. Definitely looks like it's drying down to, you know, like kind of seeping into my fine lines. Yeah, it just doesn't look pretty. All right, there we go. That feels better. And it definitely looks better too. You don't see all of my little cracking lines in my lips. So, prices. Oh, all right, first of all, you guys, this has been a day for me, okay? Black Opium is a women's perfume. I tried it on and it actually smells good. Usually I hate the scents that they give us just because I'm very particular. But this one smells really good. It has got spicy blend of vanilla, coffee beans, and white flower. So I do like that. And then I already said that I'm not a huge fan of the feeling of this liquid lip. I would probably still wear it with a gloss over it because it is a really pretty red color. I don't know how long it stays on, but it is a $20 value. Then the Origins Rose Clay Mask, a full size is 2.5 ounces and it's $26. So this one is a value of $10.40. Funny thing, on here they said that it is $28. It's actually $26 when you look it up, even on the Macy's website. And then the Mini Beauty Blender, a pack of 2 of these is $18. So this one is a value of $9. Isn't that ridiculous? And I love the original Beauty Blender. Love it. But I still think that that is overpriced. Alright, so then we've got the breast petals. You can get a pack of 3 pairs for $7. So this is a $2.40 value. And the mascara, like who still needs a Clinique High Impact Mascara? This is in like every free gift ever, whether it's from Sephora or Ulta or from the Clinique store, wherever. This is always in the free gift. I have put more of these in giveaways and like I still have some that like I can never use all those. So that is a $9.50, a full size, which is 2.8 ounces, is $19 value. So did I go over everything? Oh, the Derma Blend. This one is 3 grams. A 5 gram travel size one is $12. So this value is $7.30 something cents. So, and I do like this, but I have had a full size jar for a long time. Like it takes a long time to get through that. So I just don't need it. So what I'm keeping, obviously the lipstick because I put it on. And then the breast petals to try, and I think that's probably all I'm keeping because I think that this is a pretty common giveaway item as well. I may have gotten one in a Macy's beauty box before. So the overall oh, and the bag. That's cute. The overall value is $58.56. I think this is the end of the Macy's beauty box for me. The past couple times, I just feel like we're getting things that we already have. Like, it's just becoming monotonous to me and not exciting anymore. So I don't know what to do. And then you know March is going to be like all new items, so amazing, right? That's why it's such an addiction. Maybe I should cut the strings. What do you guys think? I know you're going to tell me to just give up on it. I still have to see what I get in this month's Sephora play because that one's on the chopping block still. Maybe it's time to switch up beauty boxes. You know, which one have I been looking at? Allure I've been looking at. Possibly the Ipsy Lux Large, whatever that one's called. What other subscription boxes do you guys like? I don't know. I did Birchbox and I'm just not really a fan of Birchbox. I quit that. I quit Ipsy a long time ago, but they didn't have the extra large one then. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. Did you see my lights already burnt out? Like, what is the deal? I haven't even had them that long, so I've got to order some new ones. I guess they don't last that long. I do hope you guys will consider subscribing before you leave. It is very helpful to me. Don't forget to put your notifications bell on. And have an amazing day. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.